Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my vlog or to my channel. So for today's video, magbukbak tayo ng balot. So yung balot ang lalaki guys, binili ko to sa Eli's Oriental Store. Kuya Dwayne, ayan, dalawang balot guys. So wala pa dito si Corey, nasa trabaho siya. So kakainin natin to kasi maya-maya andito na siya. Ayaw niya kasi ng balot. Marley, do you wanna do mukbang? Kakaluto lang guys, mainit pa siya. Lagyan natin ng asin. Tapos vinegar. Marley, do you want balot? Ay, maliit yung ano niya, sisiw. Ayan guys, oh. Perfect, ang liit lang ng sisiw. Ayaw ko ng malaking sisiw, Ayan. Kainin natin kasi maya andito na si Corey. Sarap. Si Marley. Marley. And second balot, si Marley. Marley, say hi. Maliit lang yung ano yung sisiyo niya, kaya maganda. Asin, suka. Asim. Good. Konti lang yung ano niya, sabaw niya. So, ayan yung sisiyo guys. Marley, you want some? Yeah. So, ayan, ubos na guys. Dalawang balot. Marley, what can you say? Marley. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh my God, my snuggly baby. Look at this snuggly baby. Snuggle with mama. Yeah. Where's Dada? Dada left here for work. Say good morning, guys. Morning, guys. wanna snuggle, snuggle with mommy? Look at her. You don't want the camera, huh? Yeah? Yeah?